Hi, welcome back. I have a copy of a pattern that I finished, and so that's all marked up. But this is how you start the foundation row on a Graphghan. When you read the written pattern, it'll give you usually the title, how many stitches and rows it is, and then you're working from top to bottom or bottom to top, so it can change. The first thing to do is you choose your master color to start. So you look at your image, and if row 1 and 2 have the same amount or the dominant color, you choose that one. And you got to make a foundation row. So what you do is you choose that color and you create a foundation row of 130 chains. Now first just create chains, and then when you get to 130 you'll see why over here. When you look at your row 1, you see that it has 130 blue stitches, and row 2 has 130 blue, and then in row 3 it combines of 112 blue, 16 dark green, and 2 blue, which equal 130. So that keeps your work straight. Now at the end it shows end. All that simply means is you chain 1, turn, and in the next stitch do a single crochet or half double crochet, and you begin working row 1. You always need a foundation row, and that's how many total colors are in row 1. You make a chain of that number, which in this case is 130. At the end of 130, you chain 1, you turn, and in the next stitch you work that color. So if you're already started with blue, which I recommend, you work with blue. And then when you get to the color change, we'll show you in another video how to do that. Thanks for tuning in.